What's up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. So this is gonna be a short one. It's my Saturday video. I'm just gonna talk a little bit about what's upcoming, what I'm doing right now, and mainly the giveaway that I've been planning on doing. You guys mentioned that you would be interested in a giveaway, and I said when I hit 150 subs. That day I actually hit 150. It was a lot quicker than I thought, and by the looks of it, I'll probably be around 170 or so. I mean, by the time this giveaway is actually done. So it's just going to be for 150. I don't have any mark. I just want to show you guys how much I appreciate you. So let me talk about this stuff, and then we'll get into the actual giveaway details. So a few of you were talking about the kayak, and you mentioned some like silicone or plumber's putty and stuff for the new stuff I put in, and I'm on that already. I already got some of it in there and actually sealed down, namely that rod holder and that holdy thing there. There's a fancy name for it, but I forgot. And yeah, I ran out because I only bought a little pack. Should have bought more. We're just working on that. Hopefully I'm gonna get out this Sunday and go fish some more, try for some trout. I got a few things for that. It's all upstairs. I tried to go this past Friday because I had some extra time, and I recorded a good deal of it, but I don't know, it just didn't pan out. Fishing was bad. It was. There was a lot of people at this lake. It was very fished. A lot of people, a lot of noise, a lot of people just hanging out. Most interesting thing I saw was a baby possum. I was pretty cool with that. But other than that, yeah, not much. No bites. Well, I did have one swipe. I had one swipe running that jointed Rapala topwater, but it didn't want it, so I'm thinking it was probably a trout. Other than that, I ain't got much else going. Like I said, I just want to I want to catch some fish. But the kayak is, you know, it's been off and on today lately, and I haven't been able to get any good bites or anything. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I got really going on. Like I said, gonna head out Sunday, try to get some trout. Trout season, well, I mean, it is trout season, but the trout bite really starts to open up once they open these rivers on the 31st. That's when all the big bites are, I think I'm gonna get on, is coming in, because a lot of the fly rivers I've been to and hooked up with fish have been there. So hopefully I can get out there and get some wild fish. I'd really like to do that. Let me get back at you guys over here. Alright, so for the giveaway, I have decided to do a Motherload box for you guys. I liked the Motherload box. It says it comes with, it says it's around $80 value, 15 or 12 to 15 baits. I think I got 15, or not 15, sorry. I think I got 13 baits out of it. When I did mine on the unboxing, you could check that out if you're interested in seeing something, what you might get. It will be a different box number than the one I did. I'm not going to say what box number because I want you guys to go look it up early or anything like that, because I'm sure you could find info out there. But yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are. I think it's like $60. It's not a big deal. It's not a huge deal. I probably could yeah, I don't know. I like it though. I liked it a lot. I hope you guys will like it a lot. It's just for sorry. So how do you get in on this? How do you get in on entering this for this awesome box, you ask? Well, it's pretty simple. Since I want to show support for all my people that have been there and commented on stuff, all you gotta do, new and returning, just comment on the YouTube video. Just comment your name and be like, yep, I'm in, or something like that. Just comment your name and you'll be tallied. That's as easy as it is. If we go over 200 subs before the day is up, and it's very possible, guys, because like I said, you guys have been just great with the support and the subs been rolling in. I just hit 160, I think, something like that. I am going to throw in a box of hand-tied flies. I've done a giveaway like this before on this channel. You guys have seen that. But yeah. So stay tuned, guys. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I hope you guys will enjoy this great box here. And if we break 200, a box of hand-tied flies. And if you watch my channel, some of my flies are not awful. A lot of them are fairly decent. But yeah, just stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Make sure you comment your name on this video if you want in on this. Nothing on your part. I pay for shipping. I've got the box. If it goes past 200, I got the fly box too. All for you, whoever is the lucky winner. We'll feature you on the channel. Do everything that you might want. I like the interaction. I like the support. So get out there and catch some fish, guys. And comment your name.